So, hi, it's Jan Beta, and as you can see, I'm about to pick a winner from the comments. I'm going to close the comments in a second. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use this YouTube random comment picker that I just googled by Sandra Cyrus, whoever that is. It has a nice flowery background and I hope it works. So I'm going to try to pick a random comment from the last video. If you haven't seen that, I'm giving away a Commodore 64 repair and or future proofing. So you send me your Commodore 64, I am going to repair it or try to repair it and send it back to you for free. So I'm going to load in the comments. Wow, there's a lot of comments here. So here's the reason why I don't do this like the other giveaways I did with a self-made Commodore 64 program or an Amiga program or something like that. It's just too many. I am going to click on random here, and I said in the video that you have to mention the words C64 repair in the comments. So if they are not in there or the person says something else, I'm just gonna click on there again. So I'm going to do that until I find somebody who really did it right. So let's see if this works. Randomly pick winner. No need for a Commodore 64 repair for me. I'm doing quite well with reload board and 1541 Ultimate. So good on you, DevJock. We're gonna have to pick another one. Thanks for the comment and thanks for congratulating me. Okay, let's pick another one. Hopefully somebody who has a Commodore 64 to repair. Tomaniac. Doesn't have a Commodore 64 to repair, it seems. At least he didn't mention it in this comment. There! Thomas of Acton is the winner. So Maniac, the comment before, by the way, has a very nice retro computer YouTube channel as well. He's German, so his stuff, if you are German and understand German, you can check out his stuff here. Gonna link him here. So Thomas of Acton, I'm going to try to get in contact with you from now on, and it would be nice if you would drop me an email at thejanbeta@gmail.com so we can get in contact and work out how we are going to do this. Congratulations, you won! Thanks to everybody for participating in this little competition thingo. There's another chance to win a Commodore 64 repair on my Patreon page, which I'm going to link in here, nudge nudge. That runs until Thursday, I think. So there's plenty of time to enter that competition, and all you have to do is become a patron. So this is going to be a Commodore 64 repair for Thomas of Acton. For the other people, I am going to make a video about this Commodore 64 repair. If I can't reach Thomas of Acton, I am going to pick another winner off camera. So hopefully this is going to work out. Congratulations, thanks for participating. So I'm back to working on the next Commodore 128 video, which isn't quite finished yet. I have to do some more editing, but it's going to be pretty nice. So the Commodore 128 restoration is finished and the video is going to be out soon. So thank you very much for watching. Hope to see you again on this channel for maybe another giveaway, maybe some other stuff, retro computer repairs. Yeah. Thank you so much. I'm Jan Beta. See you next time. Bye.